I'm a little nervous. This is our first, our first project. I am the founder and executive director of Les Pageless Foundation, Inc. Now, this organization is a non-profit organization that basically we want to make change through the use of liberal arts. One of the first things that we've done, we've embarked on a very, very promising project. That project is called Healing Haiti Through the Arts, HHTA. Now, it's a campaign that we're trying to do, and what this means is that we are trying to basically move and change by reaching out to basically the future of Haiti. And the future of Haiti is really the young adults. And what we plan to do is basically get people to start understanding what the problem in Haiti is, and through the healing powers of the arts, meaning music, meaning dance, we want to basically create events that have people to contribute, to donate to, so that we can make any organizations in Haiti that we know of that are basically providing homes for children and families that are still under tents. We want to assist with that. Lastly, education is paramount. We want to assist any organization that's trying to basically educate the children of Haiti. Those are the things that we want to do in terms of building our bank. Today, you are part of an event that's trying to do that. It's an event that's going to take place every Thursday. We thank Hollywood Live for having us. They're allowing us to basically utilize their space to have this, which is what we call L'amour en paradis, Love in Paradise. Basically a talk show just to get feedback about relationships. We want to thank you for coming. If you realize we have a big challenge that we've taken on. So I ask you to continue to support us. You're going to hear a lot about us, and I hope you enjoy the show.
Même la loi, pas de respect pour être là. Ça pire là, la personne dans votre maman, doit apprendre l'image non serviette qui marquait avec mystère. Avant de côté avec bras maman, la misère est qu'elle recevoir avec deux bras d'ouvrir. Li annonce tout le monde avec tracas. Puis sur l'école, yo parle de l'intellectuel qui sans travail, mais on dit je suis dans la caille papa. Depuis petit, moi père moi apporté au chai, femme que garçon a passé en trail. Depuis petit, je gouvernement tête en bas. Je suis né à goûter pour changement, je ne bagaille dépendant. Je ne garde 15% souffrir pendant 5% à fleurir. Depuis petit, je n'ai été apporté en deuil. Je gouvernement champoel qui a fini avec nous. Et qui ça qu'a fait? Nous vivons dans un pays côté la loi, pas de respect pour
So I'm on my journey, cause you know we going to see what you love is we gon' eat. So you know we gotta rock it now, do it like a man. Cause you know I'm on the pedals, not the flowers, showers. Rockin' to this love is rockin', shockin' on the lace with my Mr. Cuddy.
Et non pas M. Boga, amis pas proche, nous sommes Peterson Séraphin. Mais c'est mon radio, nous avons show qui est l'amour dans le paradis. Avant même que nous disions côté l'amour dans le paradis, nous sortions, il faut que je m'introduise la belle Corinne.
Hello everyone. For everybody that knows Chit Chat with Corinne, I'm Corinne. Hi.
That's right. Il faut que nous disions l'amour dans le paradis, comme notre Sarah mentionnait, c'est un show que nous avons dans la radio. Nous parlons de relations, relationship, encore pour nous retourner sur ça. Et pas une relation parfaite. Je ne sais pas combien de monde qui est là, dans une relation liée. Moi-même, Corinne, pas de relation parfaite. Nous, chaque qui là, qui trouve peut-être dans une relation, nous avons un problème pas nous qui n'a pas duré.
On n'a pas de relation, nous avons
Bon, je vous avais trouvé une relation, pas penser que relation n'est pas parfaite, ça va exister.
Eh bien, on n'a pas de lever.
Very good. Donc, c'est comme ça vraiment, et nous parlons, nous venons chercher, identifier problèmes à cause de séparation, à cause de divorce, à cause de bataille, à cause même, l'on est les hommes, petits filles, pas de filles, gens de bataille. Nous cherchons gens pour nous être capables d'éliminer, parler de ça. Et quel tout type de problème qu'a besoin de l'autre ami, nous pensons que son bail que nous tous avons bien besoin. Pour nous venir là, chaque jeudi, nous avons fait parler sur la relation. Nous pas tellement vraiment mais pas trop de temps. Corinne.
I need someone's help. Can someone take a watch and time 15 minutes? I need a volunteer. Don't let me call on you. I will.
Okay.
Volunteer.
We have so
Okay, good. We got a volunteer. Thank you. 15 minutes. Time us. Okay.
Okay, very good.
I'll be the English. He'll be the Creole because we do have other guests that do not speak Creole.
That's right.
And we want to welcome them. Say hi. So we're gonna start with our first topic and go from there.
There you go.
Boom. This is how it's gonna go. Here's a question, because we want to get you involved in the conversation also. Do you agree that in most couples where the woman is the breadwinner, the relationship doesn't last? Okay.
Okay, hold up.
Before you answer that,
don't say anything yet.
hear the story.
To follow what she just said, je suis une dame qui relève. Toujours pour l'amour n'est pas gratuit chaud.
He has a woman that called them for the show. When they call them,
Yo dit, Boga, mec qui problème que m'a conforté dans la relation.
this is the kind of problem
Moi,
that I have.
j'aimerais pour une opinion sur le
We
problème.
would like you to actually help us find a
Si
solution.
nous avons un capitaine du show,
So we'd like that everybody that listens to the show
et ben nos opinions
to
pareilles.
participate and give an opinion.
Ça, Corinne, fait ben là, c'est un problème que nous avons confronté.
The problem that I just talked about is actually one problem that
Ça t'a
someone is
confronté, c'est que il trouvait une position côté qu'il a fait plus fort que Marie.
He finds a position where she's making more
C'est
money than
lui-même
the husband.
qui a porté manger dans le cas là.
She's wondering.
C'est lui-même qui a habillé. C'est lui
She
qui
brings, basically she brings it up.
tout bagaille. Maria sentit menacée.
The husband feels
Monsieur il y a un problème avec ça.
he has a problem with that.
Monsieur tellement abat madame dans le problème, le fait que c'est lui qui a porté comme dans le cas là. Monsieur sent inférieur.
Giving her grief.
Ça vient cause que monsieur commençait à écarter Dame.
So now he's starting to step away from the woman.
Autant que Dame essaie d'approcher pour chercher manger, conversation,
More than
ici,
she's trying to fix the problem,
you are still the man. Et toujours marié, toujours
more than she
garçon.
tries to
Pas
bring him
le
out.
fait que m'a fait plus corps pour ça au
It's
problème.
not a problem that I make more money than you. Don't let
Mais
it give you a
la
problem.
réalité, c'est que le client a fait plus corps.
The
Donc,
reality is she's making more money.
monsieur a un problème avec ça.
So now he has a problem with that.
Et qu'on y a là, madame n'a posé des questions.
And now
Quelle
the woman's
solution
asking,
que qu'a
what
joué
kind of solution
pour un problème
can
comme ça?
bring? So now, before we start answering, we'd like you, if one person would like to answer that. What do you think that she should be?
Est-ce que vous d'accord avec que conseil de relation effectivement côté que madame yo impose yo comme c'est yo qui fait l'argent c'est eux-mêmes qui ont porté toute la une là et ils vraiment fait la classe d'infirmière. Est-ce que vous êtes d'accord?
Do you think that in some relationship, the woman that makes more money makes them feel more inferior? Okay.
Hallelujah.
One person says, what? Oh.
No, I was just gonna say that if a woman is making more money than a man and the man feels threatened, he just has to step it up. Because just because you're not making more money, I'm not gonna try my way to make less money than you. So another thing is that it has me to believe that a man has to make more money to take care of a woman. But I think right now that's, excuse my language, BS, because if you are a man, there is nothing that needs to be proven for you to be a man. You are a man and that's it, whether you make more money or not.
Can you say independent woman?
Kareem, before you say anything, remember to keep the time.
She's keeping time.
Keep it time.
I was just gonna add up to what she says. To me, regardless if I make more money, if he makes more money, at the end of the day, we're gonna end up spending the money together anyways, because I work, you work, you know, we gotta pay the bills, we gotta take care of everything, so it's our money. So that's how I look at it.
Can I marry her?
No, hold up.
Okay.
I need something else from those 1, 2, 3 ladies.
Okay.
Nous une solution.
Okay, so
Une relation qui n'a pas de problème ça, côté que dame n'a fait plus sport. Il y a un problème avec ça. Quelle solution nous avons proposé à un problème comme ça?
Okay, who has the answer?
Talk to your husband, talk to your wife about it. Tell her you don't feel comfortable about it. It's all about understanding. Once, like, she understands what you're doing, and like she said, just step it up. If you were working, let's say, you had a part-time job at Macy's trying to get a full-time job. If you were like a full-timer trying to get a supervisor job, you know, like try to get higher than you are. It's all about, you know.
Wow. Where are the men?
In my opinion, I think it depends on where the problem is coming from. Because, for example, if I'm making more money, I'm not supposed to make him feel inferior. So if the problem might be coming from the woman telling him that you're not a man enough because you're not making more money. So if that's the case, the woman has to respect her husband, not to make him feel inferior than he is.
Thank you very much. That's all I needed to hear. Very good.
Just to simply piggyback on what she just said. The reason a man or a woman reacts a certain way, there's a root there. When you plant something, you will blossom something that you plant. So obviously that woman has been putting something in that man's head to make him feel inferior to begin with. If she find out what she did to make him feel that way, then she needs to find out what she needs to do to fix it. She can fix the problem, but she has to find out what it is that she needs to do to fix it. That man don't feel bad because she makes more money. Something she did that makes him feel that way.
Give him the paycheck.
Wonderful.
I'm loving this. Give yourself a round of applause. I'm loving it. All right. See, so far to warm you up. And our next performer is, you probably saw him on my website. I've been approached to kind of go and see what he can do, and I was wowed. So without further ado, I want to introduce to you Kenny Happy Feet Williams.
Curious about love? Sitting at home on a Thursday night? Well, starting Thursday, August 4th, El Amour dans Paradis, Love and Paradise will be on stage with your host Bogal featuring Corinne at Hollywood Live, located at 2333 East Hollywood Boulevard in Hollywood, Florida. Performing will be the best DJs in Miami, DJ Joe Mix and DJ Mike. There will be fun, romance, and even controversy. You don't want to miss it. Remember, be there Thursday, August 4th, Hollywood Live, 2333 East Hollywood Boulevard. Admission is only $10 and bring your A game. For more information, please call 786-277-6748. Again, that's 786-277-6748 or 786-499-9343. Again, that's 786-499-9343. You only live once, so live, love, right into paradise. Thanks to our sponsors, 103.9 Paradis FM, Les Pericles Foundation, Chit Chat with Corinne, Showtime Record Production, and Zafem Radio.
Tellement se fait oui mal, nos guitares désaccordées, nous allons montrer qui j'en vais tomber.